Starview's AITS Series are designed for fresh counter packaging, typically a clear or printed film sealed to a preformed tray for food manufacturing companies, catering businesses, and grocery stores. The AITS Series machines are available to produce sealed packages with and without a modified atmosphere. This series machine can adapt to seal a wide variety of product tray sizes with simple tooling changes. These machines trim the film to the profile of the tray and automatically rewind the scrap film web. A custom machine infeed is shown in this video. Trays are in a single row for effective use of automatic filling systems and are then diverted into 2 rows to maximize machine throughput. Automatic tray placers are available. Trays advance to the sealing station where the lidding film is heat sealed and profile trimmed. Modified atmosphere machines use this same station for the application of vacuum and gas. Finished packages are discharged using a gravity conveyor. For larger packages and higher machine throughput, AITS 1220 machines are available. These machines can have up to 3 sealing stations in line to significantly increase the flow of packages through the machine, especially when producing modified atmosphere packages. The standard powered discharge conveyor is shown with an optional tray aligner to give a single row of packages for inline marking or labeling. Contact us to learn more about the Starview Advantage.